Turn on the sewing machine. Raise the needle to its highest position. Raise the presser foot. Place the fabric under the presser foot. Set the machines for straight stitch. Press the start button, the machine will start sewing. Press the reverse button, sewing machine will sew backwards in low speed. Press the start button to resume sewing. Cutting the thread. The speed limiting adjustment lever can control the sewing speed. To increase the sewing speed, slide the lever to the right. To decrease the sewing speed, slide the lever to the left. Set the machines for zigzag stitch. Adjusting the different stitch width. Adjusting the different stitch length. Open the button plate and insert the button. Attach the buttonhole foot. Place the fabric under the presser foot, lower the buttonhole lever and gently push it back. Turn on the sewing machine. Choose buttonhole stitch. After the sewing is completed, lift the buttonhole lever. Use a buttonhole knife to cut open the buttonhole.